In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve tickets faster as a Zendesk agent. As a Zendesk agent, efficiency is key. The faster you can navigate and resolve tickets, the smoother your operations and the happier your customers will be. So let's dive into a straightforward process to streamline your workflow and tackle your queue with ease. First things first, to solve tickets more efficiently, we'll need to configure our workspace. Start by going to the Admin Center. This is your control hub, where all the magic begins. Once in the Admin Center, find and click on Workspaces. Workspaces are customizable areas tailored for your specific needs, and setting them up correctly can make a world of difference. Next, you'll want to locate Views. Clicking on Views will allow us to organize how we see incoming tickets, which is crucial for prioritization and quick navigation. Imagine having your tickets sorted and prioritized exactly how you need them at the click of a button. It's like having your own personalized command center. Now look for the Add View button. This option allows you to create a new custom view based on your specific criteria. The aim here is to set up a view that lines up with the types of tickets you most often handle or the ones that require the most immediate attention. Adjusting your views can significantly reduce the time spent searching for tickets, as everything you need will be front and center, accessible at a glance. After you've added a new view, it's time to start customizing it. First, click on Highlight. Highlights help you focus on the most urgent tasks, bringing important details to your attention immediately. Following that, you'll want to click on Description. Adding a clear description to each of your views will ensure you know exactly what purpose each serves, preventing any confusion down the line. Next, we click on Any Agent. This setting is beneficial for quickly viewing tickets that are unassigned or could be reassigned, helping you and your team manage workloads more effectively. With these settings in place, navigate to Conditions. Conditions dictate how tickets appear in your view. Opt for tickets must meet all of these conditions to appear in the view to fine-tune the accuracy and relevance of tickets. Alternatively, tickets can meet any of these conditions to appear in the view offers more flexibility, showing a broader range. Once your conditions are set, take a moment to click Preview. Previewing gives you a snapshot of what your view looks like with your current settings, offering a chance to make any necessary tweaks before finalizing. Lastly, don't overlook formatting options. Proper formatting makes your view not only functional but also visually pleasing, further enhancing your efficiency. By carefully setting up your Zendesk views following these steps, you'll streamline your ticket solving process, ultimately boosting your productivity and customer satisfaction.